Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs. I'm shipping actor based thinking of Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Don Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video. Atake tayo dito mga mami. Charis! Ay ano to? Ano daw? Halika dito. Halika dito tinda? Hindi ko marinig. Ano ba yan? Charis! Hindi
Pero
ko siya marinig.
what I'm very, very proud of us is that
Ano?
we don't end the day like that. Really don't. We don't allow. Kunyari you're mad, kunyari ko si Donnie, tapos you're mad at me, I'll try to go to you. Or if I'm mad, you try to go to me.
Okay.
Ay,
So,
very
hindi
good.
kami sumasabay.
Bakit? Grabe, no?
Kunyari,
Grabe yung mga
mainit
revelation nila.
Hindi kasabay.
Alam niyo ba, ikwento ko lang ha, na-realize ko lang grabe yung revelation nila, no? Kung kailan talaga, alam mo, ang binibigay nila sa atin, security ang binibigay nila sa atin assurance. Kahit sabihin natin na parang, kahit sabihin nila na last project nila yan, binigyan pa din talaga nila tayo ng assurance na huwag kayong mag-alala, stable kami. Kasi di ba dear, bakit ganito na yung mga pinaglalabas nila sa kanilang mga interview na para bang mag-on na talaga sila? Di ba? Agree ba kayo? Yung tipong alam mo yung bakit ang kinukwento na nila, tampuhan, hindi na puro kaswitan. Kasi kung mapapaisip ka kung magkatrabaho lang talaga kayo at kung magkaibigan lang kayo, bakit kayo nagkakaroon ng tampuhan? Di ba? Bakit kayo magkakaroon ng mga hatiran? Charis! Yung mga nilalabas nilang revelation kung mang-jowa na.
We know.
Yeah.
Wait.
Pero what I'm very,
Ganda ni
very
Belle.
proud of us is that we don't end the day like that.
Wow!
Really don't. We don't allow. Kunyari you're mad, kunyari ko si Donnie, tapos you're mad at me, I'll try to go to you. Or if I'm mad, you try to go to me.
Okay.
So, hindi kami sumasabay na kunyari mainit ulo na isa. Hindi sasabay ang isa.
Okay.
Ay, talaga
You know.
ba?
Yeah.
If the other person was like 10%
Medyo off day
lang,
siya. Oo.
if you're 10%, I'll be your 90.
Do you believe you met at the right place in your life?
Ay.
Yeah.
I believe so.
Ay,
I don't think it was an accident. I feel like, and I really believe that
taray! Hindi mo
very
alam.
time that I
Ah. Saan lahin? Yan yung tanong eh. Ay, hello, Bel. Kalmahan nyo lang. Charis. Pwede ba kalmahan nyo lang, Bel? Masyado yung ginagalingan eh. Charis. Masyado nilang ginagalingan, Mel. Bakit naman ginagalingan? Oh,
Play the name deck game. We have
Ano
series
yan?
of questions, but you have to pick sa mga choices. Two choices for you. Donnie and Cisco.
Okay.
Donnie
Belle,
Cisco, okay.
Cheska. So pag ang nabunot nyo is Donnie, you have to answer the question as Donnie.
Okay.
Pero pag ang nabunot nyo as Cheska or Cisco, you have to answer as your character. Okay, 3 questions each daw. I have a request.
Oh, ano yun?
Remember 2019, He's in Her. Ang unang-unang huli ko sa inyong dalawa. Are
Ay,
guys holding
huli.
hands under the table?
Bakit naman
Can we
huli?
do that?
Grabe naman sa
Nag-pass
huli.
kayo.
I cannot, wait lang. Oh my God. We cannot watch that. Ay, this was yesterday. Alam mo, never, di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, never ko pang nakita si Donnie talaga na nauna siya. Kasi halos palagi talaga, inaano niya, tawag nito, halos palagi, what do you call this? Palagi niyang inaalalayan si Belle. Diba? Ay. Ay! Hindi. No. May mga trauma na ako sa mga ganyang kanta eh.
For a
Ay.
future Gondol project, let's say 10 years?
Siyempre hindi.
Grabe naman yung 10 years.
Ah, so hindi, ayaw mo ng 10. Good job. Good job. Okay.
Ayun
I'm
yung
happy.
10 years.
Ilang taon ka na nun?
Bakit ako lang? 10 years. Matanda ka na rin, ha?
Siya lang talaga
Si
yung
MJ, ilang taon na? Ay, joke lang, joke lang, joke lang, joke lang.
my
Pero ikaw pa rin
Wala
mag-interview.
akong sinabi.
MJ, 10 years from now,
Oh
ikaw
my
pa rin.
God.
Interview sa
Dapat 10 years from now, interviewin mo ulit kami.
Oo.
Dapat kayo na.
Wow!
Sila na talaga. Sila na
Talagang
talaga.
may times na hindi kami nagkakasundo.
Sila na talaga,
Okay.
ma'am.
Totoo
Bakit
yan,
sasabihin ni
nag-away kami.
MJ yan, di ba?
Minsan namin makita isa't isa or nasa kotse lang kami. Pero what I'm very, very proud of us is that we don't end the day like that.
Yes, I
We
love
really
that.
don't. We don't allow. Kunyari you're mad, kunyari ikaw si Donnie, tapos
Okay.
you're mad at me, I'll try to go to you. Or if I'm mad, you try to go to me.
Okay.
So, hindi kami sumasabay na kunyari mainit ulo na isa. Hindi sasabay yung isa.
Okay.
So, nagkaroon na kami ng ganong type of like
Dynamics.
with each other na we know.
Yeah.
I love that.
If the other person is like 10%
Medyo off day
lang,
siya. Oo.
if you're 10%, I'll be your 90.
Wow. If you're 10%, I'll be your 90. Kaya ko yun? Charis. Ay, my Donbell heart. Mami, sila na talaga. Sure ako. Sure talaga ako. Charis. Charis. Sure talaga ako, ma'am. Sila na talaga. Promise. Ay, no! Hindi! Andrew's coverage. Sino naman to si Andrew's coverage? Wait lang, nagigingongo ako. Matagal na to. Oh my God! Oh my God, ang gwapo ni Donnie. Saan sila pumunta, ma'am? From Manila Airport, upon arriving, ay, nagdabaw pala sila. Ano, ang ganda ng jacket ni Donnie. Ganda ng jacket. Wala na. Ay. Oh, Donnie and Belle. Wow, arte.
Hindi kami sumasabay na kunyari mainit ulo na isa. Hindi
Oo.
sasabay yung isa.
Tama yan.
So, nagkaroon na
Diyan
kami
yung
ng
success
ganong
nyo
type
for today's video sa
Like,
pagiging endgame
dynamics
forever.
with each other na
Endgame
we
forever.
know.
Yeah.
If the other person is like 10%
Medyo off day
lang,
siya.
Ah.
Oo.
if you're 10%, I'll be your 90.
Ay, wow. Wow, big world. Big word. Big
Love
word, no?
language. Something that you learned. Siguro, di ba you know how we're kind of born with love languages? But then after this movie, did it change? Like, na-change ba yung love language nyo?
Ayan.
Mas na-appreciate ko lang yung iba. Because
Because, ay wait lang, ituloy natin to sa next reaction video natin. Okay, this is Kiva Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!